Hey guys, welcome back to How to Online. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix invite collaborator option not showing over in the Instagram. Right, so let's go. The very first thing you have to do, you have to just go to the Play Store and it's worked perfectly fine over the iOS too. So if you're using an iOS, just go to the App Store and here you have to search the Instagram and make sure that you are using the updated version. So here you can see the option of update. So just click the update version and it will be updated, right? And now you have to just go to the Instagram here, and after that if you're not able to see the invite collaborator, then it's not in the app problem, it's because your account is a private account. So just click on the profile icon which is on bottom right side corner, then click on the three lines which is on top right side corner, then go to the settings here, and after that you will able to see, just go to the privacy, and here this my account is private, right? So basically just let me show you, I have to turn it off, right? So after turning it off, your account will be public, because without going to the public you cannot use the collaborator, you cannot collab with others, right? So and after that this is pretty easy, you can see. And even though if it is not open, then you have to do one thing, you have to convert your account into a professional account. So just go to the setting, after that go to the account and here switch to professional account, right? And after that it will perfectly open up collaborator option in your Instagram. So this is pretty easy guys. If you found this video really interesting, make sure to like this video, subscribe our channel, and see you guys in the next video.